Hello guys, how are you? Today I will tell you about how to make money from Facebook. Now I will tell you about grow your research on Facebook. Sell product directly through Facebook. Start your 14 days free trial day. You may na- you may not think of Facebook as new and edgy anymore, but you cannot deny it popularly. There are more than 2 monthly active Facebook users, with 1.37 billion activities using this social network every day. It is not surprise, therefore, that many people in business try to earn money from Facebook. With such a vast potential audience, it makes good sense. It can be challenging through to make money on Facebook. It's due to the Facebook share size. It cannot be challenging to stand out from the crowd. This is particularly to the case now to the Facebook only shows a selection of posts in the person feed. In fact, it is probable that the status you loving craft and upload to your business page will reach no more than 2% of your followers. Every time somebody opens their Facebook feed, the Facebook algorithm goes through 4 steps to decide which posts it will make show that person. First one is inventory. The, the algorithm examines all the recent status shared by the person friend and the pages they follow. Number 2, signals. It then take a look at a whole range of signal based on the user past behavior. These include who made the post, the average time spent on the content, post engagement, tagging, and comments, how informative the post is, and many other signals. A significant signal from a money making point of view is that the algorithm weights status from people as being more important than the post from the page. Number 3, predictions. This signal attempt to guess how the user will react to a particular story. Will they share it, comments on it, read it, or ignore it? Number 4, score. The algorithm generates a relevance score of each post based on the signal and its predictions. When Facebook assemble a person feeds, it only show the post with the highest relevance score. Are you a business and influencer or just an ordinary person? Facebook is primarily a social network, an online place where people can hang out, socialize, and share things of common interest. This is one of the reasons why it gives posts from the someone person account a higher weighting than posts from a page. Business always have to bear this mind. It will always be easier for people to spread their words on the Facebook than it is for companies. But it is not quite a clear cut as that. If a person only has a small number of Facebook friends, then it will be unable to spread the words very far unless they are able to share content so profound that people share it multiple times over and it become viral. On the other hand, if a people can attract a considerable number of supporters and then engage with them on a regular basis, they will find that their posts will appear at many people feedbacks. So, the best way to ensure that people hear what you have to say to bid you support based on to extent that they consider you as influencer. When you reach that point, it is easy to make money on Facebook. Business accounts should not be wholly ignored. However, if business operate their accounts well and share quietly content on a regular basis, Facebook will recognize that efforts and increase their relevance score. Build your audience first. The whole reason that influencers are successful on Facebook is that they have already gone through the process of building a following. You need to build up your expertise on Facebook by sharing a string of excellent posts, interesting links, images, and updates. To really succeed as an individual, you should build up an area of interest where you can become recognized as an expert. While business may choose to use influencer to make for them, they will unable to want to build up some from Facebook presence themselves. Over time, they can use it help people recognize them as expert in their niches. Starbucks has shown how to do well, and their page will 37 million followers.